Hello YouTubers, millionaires, future millionaires. My name is Ali, and on this channel we'll talk about making money online, leveraging the internet, or using the internet using affiliate marketing. If this is something you're interested in, click that subscribe button and continue on watching. Below I'm going to have a couple links that will give you, one of them is free, completely free at no cost to you, and the other one's only $7. If you're interested in learning how to ditch your 9-to-5 and start an online business coming 22, click the link below and get started. If you're totally on the budget and you don't want to invest any money at all, click on the affiliate boot camp. That will teach you everything you need to do to start your online business, how to do affiliate marketing, how to do YouTube marketing. There's a lot of training in there that's very valuable, and it's worth thousands of dollars, and I'm going to give you full access to that at no cost to you whatsoever. I want you to pay attention, especially to day 3. Day 3 is pretty powerful. They're all incredible, but day 3's got a lot of it's got stuff that I like to do myself. So, but I believe the training is 100 days or 30 days, and you can learn everything you need to start an online business at no cost to you whatsoever. The other option I have in there is for $7, and with that option, let me turn this heat down. Hold on a second, guys. It's roasting in here. I apologize, sorry about that. But anyway, option number 2, it's only $7 a month, but what it does, it'll teach you how to start an online business using high ticket. So basically, instead of making commission like Amazon offers, which is 3 to 4 to 5%, like very, very small percent, what you're doing on the other side with the $7 training, you can learn how to make commissions, making $5 to $6 to $7 to $800 to $1,000 per transaction. So every time someone purchases the product that you're promoting, all that training is available in there for you, by the way. You'll be able to make high ticket commission. Basically, if you make one sale a day, you'll be able to make $500 a day. So you add it up and let me know what's better, the job that you're in, the 9-to-5, or the online business working from your laptop, anywhere. You could be at home, you could be on a beach, you could be on a boat, you could be on an RV, you could be on a vacation visiting friends, still be working at the same time. And all you really need to do is basically a couple hours a day of work, making anywhere from $5 to $1,000 a day. What else? That's pretty much all I have for you guys. I want you to believe in yourself and know everything is possible. Everything starts with belief. If you believe you can do it, then it will happen. But nothing will move forward until you believe that you can do it. You have to totally trust the process. You have to trust yourself and trust that you can make 2022 a better year for you, financially, and every other thing that comes with it. Just imagine, instead of making $500 a week, you can make $500 a day. So you let me know which one's better. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. I don't have a whole lot to say besides take action and get started today, and the link's going to be in the description below. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Share the video if you've gotten any value out of it, because if it helped you out, I would love to see other people use it, and also help them out if possible. And last but not least, tick the bell icon, because I'm constantly publishing content, and you will be notified as soon as I do. What's left? You can comment, you can share, give me a thumbs up. That's pretty much it. Just click the link below and get started today. Love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and let's make 2022 a better year. Guys, it's not that difficult. It's very doable, and I believe you can do it. You're smart, you're intelligent, you're capable, and let's make tomorrow a better day. Have a wonderful day. I love you, and I will see you on the inside. Best of luck. Bye-bye.